our Field Vice President, KR, for that very gracious introduction. Good morning, iFERN Nation. I know that this afternoon, we will have a lot of viewers, not only here in our country, but also outside the Philippines. So I would like to welcome everyone this afternoon in this I-Fern Revolutionary Business Advantage presentation. Today, I will discuss something about our company and our product. But before doing that, let me or allow me to share with you why I am here in I-Fern. Before it was why I am here in I-Fern. Yes, you heard it right. I am a doctor and in active practice in the field of pediatrics. But what am I doing here in a big multi-level marketing company? There are 3 reasons for this. Well, 3 years ago, on June 16, 2017, when I was invited here in I-Fern, the very first thing that attracted my attention and attracted me to do the business was their products, specifically Fern D or vitamin D. Because even before I joined, I knew already the benefits of these products, especially in children. But unfortunately, during that time, there was no pure and single-ingredient vitamin D here in the Philippines. At kung meron man po tayong makikitang produktong ganon, for sure it will be very expensive because imported po siya outside the Philippines. And I joined the company right away, and I started using the products and even the supplements together with my husband and my children. So when I found out that our products are very effective, I started recommending it to my patients, to their relatives, and to a lot of people. And the second reason why I am here in I-Fern is I am not just a doctor, but I am an entrepreneur as well. When I found out that I-Fern deals with health and beauty products coupled with a very good marketing and compensation plan, I right away started my part-time business, which is I-Fern. And also at that time, I already realized that I-Fern has all the quality that that we can trust. So it is not just a plain and simple business firm. And third, it is very inherent in me to help other people. So how could a doctor or how could we business people could help other people? First, by sharing the products, we could alleviate their disease process and also prevent whatever diseases that they could incur in the future. Also, we could give the products at a lower price by converting our product users to become an I-Fern distributors. And third, we could help them have their businesses by teaching them the business, and they would have an additional income by just joining our business. So in the beginning, I thought I am just here to prescribe the products, but after a few months, I never realized that I am already enjoying and doing and embracing the iFERN business by heart, and the rest is history. So with that, let me start with my presentation. So what is iFERN? iFERN is an acronym which means International Filipino Entrepreneur Resources Network. And what is RBA means? RBA means Revolutionary Business Advantage. So this afternoon, we will discuss a business opportunity that will cause a complete and dramatic change in our doings. This business will put you in a superior and favorable position in life. Therefore, open your mind, open your heart, and listen to the opportunity that will surely change your life for the better. So our first company is Fern. It is the maker of Fern C. In 2003, Fern Incorporated was recognized through its renowned Fern C in terms of benefits and in terms of sales. Fern C is the first and #1 premium sodium ascorbate, a non-acidic vitamin C, and that is marketed in the Philippines that time. After Fern C, there were a lot of brands or products that imitate our sodium ascorbate. Now, from Fern Company, the Fern Company evolved, and I-Fern was born in 2016. It is a very stable company and has more than 16 years in multi-level marketing industry. It is a 2 billion peso company with hundreds of self-made millionaires, led by multi-awarded businessman and talented management team. We have our iFERN company is a very stable company with all these assets in place. We have our own physical office, which is the Fern Corporate Center, located at Escriba Drive, Ortigas Center, Pasig. We also own our own warehouse containing millions of products and stocks. We also own toll manufacturing firm, meaning we make our own products in the Philippines using premium grade raw materials and ingredients imported from Switzerland and United States of America. So that is the reason why all our products were very affordable. We have 13 training centers nationwide, namely Angeles, Pampanga, Bacolod City, Cagayan de Oro City, Cebu City, Davao City, Iloilo City, Calibo, Aklan, Osamis City, Santa Rosa, Laguna, Pangasinan, Lucena, Quezon, Calapan, Mindoro, and Batangas. So what does this slide shows? If you cannot see your province here, it is a sign that you have a big opportunity to start this business in your locality and even open the business in other country by inviting your OFW friends and relatives to join us here in our iFERN business. Our iFERN business is a very legitimate company, having all the necessary licenses and permit. Like the Food and Drug Administration, we are licensed by the Department of Health. We have a permit to export and permit to operate. We are registered with the SEC, or Securities and Exchange Commission, both PERN and I-Fern, and we had a certificate of registration with BIR, or Bureau of Internal Revenue, and we are one of the top taxpayer here in Pasig. Next slide. This is Mr. Tom Manitan. He is our president and Chief Executive Officer of FERN and I-Fern. Mr. Tan is a graduate of BS Computer Science at De La Salle University and has a master's degree in entrepreneurship in Asian Institute of Technology. Driven by his philosophy and company vision of sharing prosperity globally through entrepreneurship, his goal for every Filipino is to have a paradigm shift where the mindset is to run a business instead of dreaming of becoming an employee. When I met him 3 years ago, I already knew and right away that this man and his company could be trusted. Among his awards are as follows. He is a PLDT Bossing Award in 2012, Ernst & Young Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year in 2012. He attended the APEC Summit in 2015 and attended the Asian Business and Investment Summit in 2017. He is also a Go Negosyo Kapatid Program mentor since 2017. Here are the pictures of Mr. Tom Manitan receiving that several awards. Our president and CEO is also one of the 50 top entrepreneurs in the country. That book was written by Joey Concepcion, and it is worth to know that it is only Sir Tom Manitan that was in that book with a business dealing with multi-level marketing. In 2016 and up to the present, Fern C has become the brand of the year and the only vitamins in the Philippines. That award was awarded in Kensington Palace, London. Also, Fern and I-Fern received the Emerald Award for the Consistent Super Brand Awardee for more than 5 years. So what does it mean when you say that also our company was a country winner for sustainable social enterprise at the ASEAN Business Award in 2019. This shows that this company deals with small business enterprise that can alleviate the life of the poor and small businessman. We at I-Fern member continue to reap the success due to its simple business formula and a strong demand for its world-class and quality product. And I am proud to be member of this company. Now, Fern D also won and awarded last year as the brand of the year and the only vitamins that won such award. Our president was the one who got the award in Kensington Palace, London. Our products are considered world-class and highly effective because we use premium raw materials from two leading suppliers of vitamins, namely DSM, the leading global supplier of nutritional and specialty ingredients for food, beverages, dietary supplements, alternative energy drink, and even personal care and aromas for beauty products. We also got our raw materials from Glambia of USA, the provider of sophisticated and innovative nutritional solution worldwide, catering to a wide range of dairy products, cheese, butter, and milk. This is a picture of our president and some of our iFERN leaders visiting the DSM office and premix plants in Singapore and Switzerland. That was in 2015, 2018, and 2019. Our products are all world-class. They are shown in the slides because we have a seal of approval. We are approved by FDA, Super Brand, Brand of the Year, Halal, and Trukal. In the lower portion, you can see that there are quali brands. What does it mean by quali brands? They are European certifying bodies that approve the quality and standard and nutritional ingredients of products. Because of this, we can be assured that the ingredients are manufactured to the highest quality standard in a safe and sustainable way. We can be relied upon to deliver the health benefits that we are looking for. All the ingredients are traceable throughout the supply chain, from where they are produced to where they are added to the food, beverages, and dietary supplements. Thus, because of this, we're giving our consumers peace of mind that they are taking every effort to keep us and our family safe and healthy. So what does it mean when we see quality? It means that our vitamin D is being delivered on its best form. Also, quality. When we see the certification of quality, we provide the consistent premium quality of our vitamin C, and we are assured that we are getting the best quality of vitamin C in our Fern C. Now, the first product that I am going to discuss is our flagship product. This is vitamin D, or cholecalciferol, with a brand name of Fern D. It is an affordable and clinically proven vitamin D supplements. It is from the world's largest vitamin D manufacturer, which is DSM. It is formulated to contain a high level of quality vitamin C to augment our needs even we are not exposed to the sun. The equivalent food sources of vitamin D is 1,000 international units per tablet. As you can see, vitamin D strengthens the bones and the muscle, it boosts our immunity, it reduces the risk of fall and fracture by 30%. It is worthwhile to know that almost all the cells in our body has a receptor for vitamin D. Therefore, it can cure almost all disease process in our body. It is also worthwhile knowing that our Fern D is already listed in the PDR, or the Physician's Desk Reference. It is a book or a commercially published compilation of prescription drug. Therefore, iFERN D is already considered not only as a supplement, but as a drug as well. So that's why in iFERN D bottle, we don't see the caption, no approved therapeutic claim. These vitamins was studied intensively, specifically by Dr. Michael Kolix, that studies and showed us that there are a lot of diseases not only treated but prevented by vitamin D supplementation. So number one in that is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is also coupled with other bone pain, such as the chronic pain and fibromyalgia. I have my own testimonies on this. Before using vitamin D, I am a frequent visitor or client in every spa that I could reach. Why? I suffered so much bone and muscle pain, and it is only alleviated by a whole body massage. But because when I took iFERN D 3 years ago, I never visited spa anymore, aside when I want to pamper myself. So siguro I do not know, or I didn't know, that I am a vitamin D deficient person because takot po akong mainitan ng araw. So from there, we can see that vitamin D can also treat heart disease, cancer, autoimmune disease, depression, insomnia, diabetes, and arthritis. Since I have been with the company, I started having my own studies. With that, I can say that vitamin D supplementation can prevent other diseases and illness. So what are they? One of it is infection. Why? Because vitamin D is considered an immunomodulator. What does it mean? It influences the immune response of our body. So by increasing the immunity, we can have a protection against infection and viruses. So what are those? Recurrent urinary tract infection as specified by rhinitis, tonsillopharyngitis, and laryngitis. Also, recurrent lower respiratory infection like bronchitis and pneumonia could be caused not only by bacterial or viral infection, but it can be due to vitamin D deficiency. Also, dengue hemorrhagic fever, although it is due to a mosquito bite, there are a couple of scientific journals telling about the effectiveness of vitamin D in preventing a severe complication of this disease, like bleeding and shock that could lead to death. So how does vitamin D help in this disease? It can prevent dengue virus replication, and also vitamin D supplementation can kill these viruses and has some anti-inflammatory effect. So it is very timely that we have a pandemic now, which is very scary, the COVID-19 or the coronavirus disease 2019. It is caused by SARS-CoV-2 or severe acute respiratory syndrome corona 2. It has no known treatment at this time. But according to the latest Journal of Internal Medicine, vitamin D plays an important role in preventing respiratory infections and complications, reducing the use of antibody, and can boost reducing the use of antibiotic, and can boost our immune system. So if we have a high vitamin D level in our body, the possibility of getting this COVID-19 is less. Other infections that is related to vitamin D deficiency are allergies, as specified by allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, nasal polyps, bronchial asthma, skin problems like psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, and eczema. Marami po akong studies on that, especially in children. Another disease entity that could be treated and prevented by vitamin D supplementation are those relating to women's diseases. Number 1 is PCOS, or the polycystic ovarian syndrome. In here, vitamin D act, not as a vitamins, but as a hormone. Because PCOS is an hormonal disease of women. And also, when you have PCOS, most of the women are fat or obese. So there are 3 reasons why you have to take vitamin D when you have PCOS. 1, it improves fertility. Di ba po, pagka may PCOS, usually hindi po sila mabuntis or hindi sila magkaanak. It also improves their menstrual period because in PCOS, there is an abnormality in their menstruation because of the metabolic derangement in other markers like the testosterone and estrogen. Also, it improves our mood because with vitamin D deficiency, we could have depression and anxiety. Vitamin D also, or supplementation also plays a role in pregnancy-related problems. Vitamin D reduces the risk of preeclampsia or eclampsia. That means increase or having a hypertension during pregnancy. Vitamin D also prevents low birth weight infant and premature deliveries, and it can also prevent maternal infection. So by taking vitamin D, the pregnant mother can drink vitamin D so that she can have enough vitamins to pass it on to the baby to build a strong bones and body. Also, by vitamin D supplementation, it could prevent gestational diabetes mellitus or diabetes of pregnancy. Also, myoma. Myoma are new growth in the uterus. There are studies already or testimonies as evidenced by ultrasound that by drinking vitamin D, there is a decrease of the tumor mass. It also plays in infertility. It can cure infertile men and women by just giving vitamin supplementation. Vitamin D could also be used in brain health. There is also already a study and proof that vitamin D supplementation can increase the cognitive function of the brain, meaning there are evidences of an increasing in IQ and school performance of children. So, what does cognitive function of the brains means? It is a mental process involved in gaining knowledge and comprehension like thinking, judging, problem solving, and the like. It is worthwhile to know that if there is an impairment of cognitive function of the brain, it is a precursor to dementia and Alzheimer. So usually, yung mga tao nagiging makakalimutin. There is an episodic memory loss of their past experiences. So vitamin D deficiency could lead both to the cognitive ability and could lead to this problem. So to prevent dementia and Alzheimer, vitamin D supplementation is the solution. There are also studies that could say that it can give us weight loss. By drinking vitamin D, it will keep your hormone level at check and will help you enhance weight loss and decrease in body fats. So, Our next supplement is Fern Active, which is, it is known to increase the energy level for active lifestyle, enhances mental alertness, it can also boost the immune system, and it is anti-stress. It contains 8 vitamins and minerals, specifically the B complex, B1, B2, B6, B12, sodium ascorbate, vitamin D, and zinc. And it contains all these nutrients for energy production. So, what is Fern Active? It is just an ultimate dietary supplements and multivitamins. As I have said, it has a high doses of B complex, so it could fight anemia. If the patient or a person is anemic, you can feel weakness and fatigue and loss of appetite. Also, it is good for the nerve because if you have deficiency in vitamin B, you can experience numbness, tingling sensation, loss, and even loss of sensation and muscle cramps. It can also fight for poor memory, confusion, short-term memory loss, difficulty in concentration, and dementia. Ito yung bigla ka na lang natutulala, hindi mo maisip ano yung iniisip mo. So it only means you are deficient in vitamin B. It can also fight depression, headache, migraine, and risk of heart disease. Our Fern Active can also promote hair growth and promotes energy surge for peak performance. Our last supplement is Milka or calcium. Although it is calcium and it came from real milk, it can be taken by people with lactose intolerance. Calcium that is easily absorbed for optimum bone health, and it can prevent osteoporosis. As you can see in the chart or in the table, our bone needs several minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, zinc, copper, and iron. And all of these are found in our Milka. Not like the other calcium preparation, like calcium citrate and calcium carbonate, that it only contain calcium. So our Milka, since it is a calcium, it can fill the gap for our calcium intake from food. It has a key role for bone health, maintain heart rhythm, it can control increase in blood pressure, it aids in muscle function, and it can treat the premenstrual syndrome found in menopausal women, and there are studies that also shows that calcium can prevent cancer, specifically breast cancer. It also aids in weight loss. So we have only 3 supplements, but as a take-home message, all our supplements are natural. They are not synthetic, so we haven't found until this time anybody that exhibits allergy to these supplements. So our next product, or the next group of products, are for wellness. The Silver Press, with silver and iron technology, is the only toothpaste in the Philippines to use the silver iron technology. This helps prevent the growth of bacteria in the mouth, prevents inflammation of the gums, and it is an anti-infection. That's why this is called as an antibacterial toothpaste. It contains 6-sulfate that helps prevent tartar, gingivitis, and bad breath. It has vitamin E that acts as a natural moisturizer. It is worth to know that our Silver Press doesn't contain the bad ingredients or doesn't contain the harsh chemicals found in other regular toothpaste, such as the paraben, triclosan, and fluoride. Because having the paraben, triclosan, and fluoride, it can cause the following problem on continuous use because the toothpaste is being absorbed in our buccal mucosa. It can cause hormonal problems, allergies, thyroid problem, dementia, damage in the sperm cell, and can cause infertility. These three substances can also cause arthritis, cancer, and reproductive and developmental toxicity. The next product or wellness product is our Aurora. We have an Aurora Beauty Bar and our Aurora Lotion. It is known to have the triple AIDS-defying ingredients, and it exhibits the whitening effect on us. It has a 10-in-1 whitening ingredients that prevents melatonin production. That's why it lightens the skin and prevents age spots. The three age-defying AAA are as follows: argan oil, Swiss apple stem cells, and aloe vera. All of them can make our skin youthful, healthy, balancing the oil and the dry skin, and it targets the premature aging and acts as a natural moisturizer and antioxidant. At this point, I wanted to make it clear. Our Aurora Bar Soap and our lotion can be used for all ages. It can be used by newborn infant up to any age. This lotion also acts as a insect repellent, and also it can be used as it can also be used as sunblock, meaning before they go out of the sun, they can use this lotion for them not to become or not to have the dark skin. So our next product are the Aurora Day and Night Cream. It is being applied in the face. Now, the white one is for day use, and the black one is for night use. The Aurora Day Cream has a powerful antioxidant that keeps the skin hydrated and age spot-free. It increases skin firmness and smoothens the skin. It contains the stabilized vitamin C and the starflower oil, which makes our skin white and prevents pimples. It has a dual UVB filters, meaning a filter for UVB-A and UVB-B. The A and the B rays of the sun will be protected by this Aurora Day Cream. Therefore, it can be used as a concealer, makeup base, and foundation for both sexes. And our Aurora Night Cream contains also the star oil that restores the moisture to dry skin while we are sleeping. It contains also vitamin B3 to whiten the skin and help reduce fine lines, making the skin look younger. So our Aurora Night Cream produces microexfoliation in our face. It targets the fine lines and wrinkles, and in the morning, you can find your skin fresh-looking, firm, clear, and without the usual redness found in other exfoliating products. It is designed to give us healthy and youthful glow. So that is the benefits of our day and night cream. It is anti-aging. It has been said that when you use this product, you will look 10 years younger than your real age. It firms the skin texture, it improves the skin elasticity, gives radiant complexion, even skin tone, protects us from sun exposure, and it is mildly scented. That's why it is not allergenic. The last two products are the Aurora Revitalizing Serum and the eye cream. This Aurora Revitalizing Serum is also known as the Botox in a bottle. Why? It contains niacinamide, vitamin C, D and E, and it promotes skin firmness and elasticity. It is also known as an anti-aging, skin whitening, antioxidant, skin repair, and improves the skin moisturization. Now, the Aurora Eye Cream, as the word imply, is applied around the eyes. It helps prevent dark circles and puffiness. It also targets the fine lines and crow's feet. It provides an immediate, noticeable, long-lasting tightening effect, meaning 10 to 15 minutes after its application, you can already see the lifting and tightening effect. All these cosmetics doesn't contain the paraben and silicone. So they are paraben-free and silicone-free. These products are still very affordable because even though it contains a superior and excellent ingredients from Switzerland, it is being made here in our country. So I think that is my last slide. So in summary, Aurora Ageless White Beauty can give a skin whitening, age-defying, antioxidant, skin repair, can protect the skin from sun damage, and it is an insect repellent as exemplified by Aurora Lotion. So with that presentation, I hope you learned a lot, and I hope I remove all the doubts of our iFERN business. Because I am not the only doctor who is prescribing or recommending these products, because we have already tested and proven the effectiveness of our product in a very affordable prices. And I can proudly say that I belong to a very good multi-level marketing company, a company that we could trust. So if you listen to me, mas makinig kayo sa susunod na speaker. Kasi po, kung nasagot ko ang mga doubts nyo about our products and about our company, siya